Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of process flow analysis within operations management. This foundational concept helps organizations visualize, understand, and optimize how work moves through their systems. By mapping out each step from input to output, businesses can identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and opportunities for improvement. Whether you're in manufacturing, services, or logistics, mastering process flow analysis is key to streamlining operations and boosting productivity. Let's start by exploring what process flow analysis really means and why it's so crucial for operational success. Process flow refers to the sequence of activities or steps that transform inputs into outputs within an organization. Think of it as a roadmap that guides products, information, or customers through various stages. By clearly defining each step, organizations can ensure consistency, reduce errors, and maintain quality. Understanding the process flow is the first step toward effective management and continuous improvement. In the next scene, we'll look at how process flow analysis fits into the broader context of operations management. Operations management, process flow analysis plays a pivotal role. It helps managers visualize the entire workflow from raw materials to finished products or services. By mapping out each process, managers can spot inefficiencies, allocate resources more effectively, and ensure smooth coordination between departments. This holistic view is essential for making informed decisions that drive operational excellence. Next, let's discuss the key components involved in a typical process flow. Process flow typically includes several key components: inputs, activities, outputs, and feedback loops. Inputs are the resources required to start the process, such as materials, information, or labor. Activities are the tasks or operations performed to transform these inputs. Outputs are the final products or services delivered to customers. Feedback loops provide information on performance, enabling continuous improvement. Understanding these components helps organizations design more efficient and effective processes. Mapping the process flow involves creating a visual representation of each step in the workflow. This can be done using flowcharts, diagrams, or specialized software. By laying out each activity and decision point, organizations can easily identify redundancies, delays, and areas for improvement. A well-mapped process flow serves as a communication tool, ensuring everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. In the next scene, we'll explore the tools commonly used for process flow mapping. Several tools are available for mapping process flows, including flowcharts, swimlane diagrams, and value stream maps. Flowcharts use symbols to represent different types of activities and decisions, making complex processes easier to understand. Swimlane diagrams organize activities by department or role, clarifying responsibilities. Value stream maps focus on the flow of materials and information, highlighting value-added and non-value-added steps. Choosing the right tool depends on the complexity and purpose of your analysis. Process flow analysis offers numerous benefits to organizations. It helps identify bottlenecks, reduce waste, and improve efficiency. By understanding each step, managers can streamline operations, enhance quality, and increase customer satisfaction. Additionally, process flow analysis supports better communication and collaboration across teams. These benefits make it an essential tool for any organization aiming to achieve operational excellence. One of the primary goals of process flow analysis is to identify bottlenecks, points in the process where work slows down or piles up. Bottlenecks can lead to delays, increased costs, and reduced customer satisfaction. By pinpointing these problem areas, organizations can take targeted actions to eliminate or reduce their impact. This might involve reallocating resources, automating tasks, or redesigning workflows. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to spot bottlenecks in your process flow. Spot bottlenecks. Start by analyzing the process flow map. Look for steps where work accumulates, wait times increase, or resources are consistently overburdened. Data analysis can also help, revealing patterns of delay or inefficiency. Engaging frontline employees often uncovers hidden issues that aren't obvious from the map alone. Once identified, bottlenecks should be prioritized for improvement to maximize the impact on overall performance. Process flow analysis is also a powerful tool for reducing waste. Waste can take many forms, such as excess inventory, unnecessary movement, or rework. By examining each step, organizations can identify and eliminate non-value-added activities. Lean methodologies like the Toad production system emphasize continuous waste reduction to improve efficiency and lower costs. In the following scene, we'll look at how process flow analysis supports lean operation. Lean operations focus on maximizing value while minimizing waste. Process flow analysis aligns perfectly with this goal by making waste visible and actionable. By mapping out every step, organizations can systematically remove inefficiencies and streamline workflows. This not only boosts productivity, but also enhances flexibility and responsiveness to customer needs. Lean tools like value stream mapping are especially useful for this purpose. Process flow analysis contributes to higher quality by standardizing procedures and reducing variability. When each step is clearly defined and consistently followed, errors and defects become less likely. Quality control measures can be built into the process, ensuring issues are detected and addressed early. This proactive approach leads to more reliable outcomes and greater customer satisfaction. Clear process flows improve communication within and between teams. When everyone understands the workflow, it's easier to coordinate activities, share information, and resolve issues quickly. Visual process maps serve as a common reference point, reducing misunderstandings and aligning efforts toward shared goals. Effective communication is essential for smooth operations and continuous improvement. Process flow analysis encourages collaboration by making roles and responsibilities clear. When team members see how their work fits into the larger process, they're more likely to cooperate and support each other. Collaborative problem-solving becomes easier, leading to faster and more effective solutions. This spirit of teamwork is vital for achieving operational excellence. Process flow analysis is not a one-time activity. It's an ongoing process that supports continuous improvement. By regularly reviewing and updating process maps, organizations can adapt to changing conditions, incorporate feedback, and drive innovation. This commitment to improvement keeps operations efficient, competitive, and responsive to customer needs. Manufacturing, process flow analysis is used to optimize production lines, reduce downtime, and ensure quality. By mapping out each stage from raw materials to finished goods, manufacturers can identify inefficiencies and implement best practices. This leads to faster production cycles, lower costs, and higher product quality. Process flow analysis is a cornerstone of modern manufacturing excellence. Service organizations also benefit from process flow analysis. Whether it's a hospital, bank, or call center, mapping out service processes helps identify delays, improve customer experiences, and streamline operations. By focusing on the flow of information and interactions, service providers can deliver faster, more reliable, and higher quality services. Logistics and supply chain operations rely heavily on process flow analysis. By mapping the movement of goods, information, and resources, organizations can optimize routes, reduce lead times, and minimize costs. Effective process flow analysis ensures that products reach customers quickly and reliably, supporting overall business success. Let's look at a real-world example. A car manufacturer used process flow analysis to map its assembly line. By identifying bottlenecks and redundant steps, the company was able to reduce production time by 20% and cut costs significantly. This case highlights the power of process flow analysis in driving tangible improvements in manufacturing. In the service sector, a hospital applied process flow analysis to its patient admission process. By streamlining paperwork and clarifying roles, the hospital reduced wait times and improved patient satisfaction. This example shows how process flow analysis can enhance service delivery and create better experiences for customers. Logistics company used process flow analysis to optimize its delivery routes. By mapping out each step from order receipt to final delivery, the company identified inefficiencies and improved on-time performance. This led to higher customer satisfaction and lower transportation costs, demonstrating the value of process flow analysis in logistics. Despite its benefits, process flow analysis can face challenges. These include resistance to change, lack of accurate data, and complexity in mapping large processes. Overcoming these obstacles requires strong leadership, clear communication, and a commitment to continuous improvement. In the next scene, we'll discuss strategies for addressing these challenges. Resistance to change is a common barrier in process flow analysis. Employees may fear job loss or increased workload. To overcome this, involve team members early, communicate the benefits, and provide training. When people understand how process improvements make their work easier and more rewarding, they're more likely to support change. Accurate data is essential for effective process flow analysis. Incomplete or outdated information can lead to poor decisions and missed opportunities. Organizations should invest in reliable data collection methods and regularly update process maps. This ensures that analysis is based on current realities, leading to better outcomes. Large or complex processes can be challenging to map and analyze. Breaking them down into smaller, manageable sections makes the task easier. Focus on critical paths and high-impact areas first, then expand the analysis as needed. This approach ensures that improvements are targeted and achievable. Successful process flow analysis requires input from all stakeholders, including employees, managers, and customers. Engaging these groups ensures that the analysis reflects real-world conditions and addresses everyone's needs. Regular feedback sessions and collaborative workshops can foster buy-in and generate valuable insights. Technology plays a vital role in modern process flow analysis. Software tools can automate mapping, data collection, and analysis, making the process faster and more accurate. Digital platforms also enable real-time collaboration and updates, ensuring that process maps stay current and relevant. Training employees in process flow analysis techniques builds organizational capability. Workshops, online courses, and hands-on projects help staff develop the skills needed to map and improve processes. Ongoing development ensures that the organization can adapt to new challenges and maintain operational excellence. To gauge the effectiveness of process flow analysis, organizations should track key performance indicators, KPIs such as cycle time, error rates, and customer satisfaction. Regular measurement allows for timely adjustments and demonstrates the value of process improvements. Success should be celebrated to reinforce positive change. Sustaining process improvements requires ongoing attention and commitment. Regular reviews, employee involvement, and a culture of continuous improvement help maintain gains over time. Organizations should embed process flow analysis into their standard operating procedures to ensure lasting benefits. Process flow analysis can also drive innovation. By challenging existing workflows and encouraging creative problem-solving, organizations can discover new ways to deliver value. Innovation often emerges from a deep understanding of current processes and a willingness to experiment with alternatives. Aligning process flow analysis with strategic goals ensures that improvements support the organization's long-term vision. By focusing on processes that drive key outcomes, organizations can prioritize efforts and maximize impact. This alignment creates a clear connection between daily operations and overall success. Well-designed process flow enhances the customer experience by reducing wait times, minimizing errors, and delivering consistent quality. By mapping the customer journey, organizations can identify pain points and opportunities to exceed expectations. Satisfied customers are more likely to return and recommend your services. Process flow analysis helps organizations meet regulatory and compliance requirements. By documenting each step, companies can demonstrate adherence to standards and quickly respond to audits. This reduces risk and builds trust with customers, partners, and regulators. Integrating process flow analysis with technology such as automation and data analytics unlocks new levels of efficiency. Automated workflows reduce manual effort and errors, while analytics provide insights for continuous improvement. This integration is essential for staying competitive in today's fast-paced business environment. Leadership plays a critical role in successful process flow analysis. Leaders set the vision, allocate resources, and foster a culture of improvement. Their support ensures that process changes are implemented effectively and sustained over time. Strong leadership is the backbone of operational excellence. Employees are the experts in their own work. Involving them in process flow analysis brings practical insights and increases buy-in for changes. Encouraging participation at all levels leads to more accurate maps and more effective improvements. Continuous feedback is essential for adapting process flows to changing conditions. Regular check-ins, surveys, and performance reviews help organizations stay agile and responsive. By listening to employees and customers, companies can refine processes and maintain high performance. Process flow analysis supports risk management by identifying potential failure points and control measures. By proactively addressing risks, organizations can prevent disruptions and ensure business continuity. This approach builds resilience and protects against unexpected challenges. As organizations grow, process flow analysis must scale accordingly. Standardizing methods and using digital tools make it easier to manage complex operations across multiple locations. Scalable process flow analysis ensures consistency and supports sustainable growth. For global organizations, process flow analysis helps coordinate activities across different regions and cultures. Standardized processes ensure quality and efficiency, while local adaptations address unique market needs. This balance supports global success and local relevance. Process flow analysis can support sustainability goals by identifying opportunities to reduce waste, energy use, and environmental impact. Sustainable processes not only benefit the planet but also improve efficiency and brand reputation. Integrating sustainability into process flow analysis is increasingly important for modern organizations. The future of process flow analysis includes greater use of artificial intelligence, automation, and real-time data. These technologies will make process mapping faster, more accurate, and more dynamic. Staying ahead of these trends ensures that organizations remain competitive and innovative. Let's recap the essentials. Process flow analysis is a vital tool in operations management, helping organizations visualize, optimize, and continuously improve their workflows. It supports efficiency, quality, collaboration, and innovation. By embracing process flow analysis, organizations can achieve operational excellence and drive long-term success. Thank you for joining this journey into process flow analysis. As you move forward, consider how these principles can be applied in your own organization. Start by mapping a simple process, involve your team, and look for opportunities to improve. With practice and commitment, process flow analysis will become a powerful driver of operational success.